Hey, I'm Stikeleather with Dentman. We are located in North Carolina, and you're going to want to stick around because I'm about to show you what we can do with paintless dent repair.
Now, do not try this at home, as we are professionals, and this is just a donor vehicle that we're going to basically just show you what we can do with the paintless method. Here you can see some pretty nasty damage being created, and coolers and hammers and feet. These are just kind of everyday type of vandalism repairs, but we can repair this back to 100% factory condition without having to repaint this vehicle. And we can do this in a matter of hours, not days.
Nice.
Now, if you pay attention, we have the option to manipulate this metal in several different ways, one being with this knockdown method that you're seeing here, or hammering. This is actually called blending, and we actually move that metal around, in conjunction with glue pulling from this area that we're working on here. And then this larger damage is actually going to be worked majority of the way just from the backside. And to do that, we have to actually take things apart to get to the backside of the damage. You can see we have a rod inside there, kind of slowly manipulating that metal back to its original shape, almost as if we're sculpting the metal from the inside and the outside to achieve an amazing result in the end. This particular dent took roughly about 10 hours to complete, start to finish. But as you can see, the results speak for themselves. This lighting fixture that we're using is an indication of just how well we get these panels flattened out. Those lines and reflection indicate that there is zero distortion in this panel, and this repair is complete. We'll go ahead and show you the repairs on the upper rail as well that we did here. One, this is where the cooler actually hit, and two is where the hammer actually came down right in the front section there. Fantastic repair results in a matter of hours. We did not change anything about this vehicle in the process of repairing it, making paintless dent repair a huge value for the customer. If you have any further questions, visit northcarolinadentman.com, or you can call 828-446-7475. Thanks for watching.